This wig went viral and I see why. They do it all for you. You ain't gotta pluck, you ain't gotta bleach, you ain't gotta use a melting spray. If you're a beginner and you just don't know what to do, get one of these. Keep watching and let me show you how easy it is to install this wig and get it to melt. You can do it too, girl. You can do it too.
Round here we find slow. We keep it good and push it down. Getting crunk up in the club, we get down. All my ladies to the front.
Hello my beautiful queens, welcome to my channel. If wigs got you in a headlock and just won't let go, this is the channel for you. So make sure you are subscribed so you can keep vibing with your girl. Now girl, I won't waste your time, we gonna get straight into it. Why did this wig go viral? Well, this is a pre-everything wig from OQ Hair. In the bag, you got some goodies, and then you got the star of the show, which is a 7x5 HD lace human hair wig. Comes pre-everything, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-cut, 24 inches of lusciousness, gorgeous human hair, full straight to the ends. OQ Hair said you don't need no concealer. They gave you that built-in scalp look, girl. When they said pre-everything, they meant it. It comes with a removable adjustable strap with the grip, and you got 3 combs, 2 on the front that's removable and 1 in the back. And they cut out around the ears so it can fit comfortably. I wear glasses, and this part of the adjustment of the wigs, I love so much. It just makes everything so much more comfortable. Now all you have to do, adjust the strap and put it on. Literally, all I did was adjust the strap, put it on, and tuck in the combs. Okay, one more step. Ooh. I did add just a teeny weeny bit of lace tint, but I didn't need it. I really honestly did not need any lace tint, and I definitely did not need any lace spray. No melting spray, no nothing. This is a literally beginner friendly wig. Now girl, when I first started, it was a struggle for me, and I ruined a couple of wigs. I wish these kind of wigs was out there when I first started. Seriously, it was a struggle. The struggle was real for me. Learning how to pluck. Excuse me, I can't even say it. Learning how to pluck, bleach. Girl, now that I know how to do it, it is fun for me. But on them days when you don't want to do nothing, and you need to get out the door, literally these wigs are it. If you don't have one in your closet stashed away for an emergency, this is my emergency wig now. If you ain't got one of those, what are you doing? Seriously, you need this in your collection. Look at that lace. Look at that lace. Again, look at that lace. I mean, what lace? Do you see any lace? I don't.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, you can't be replaced. See, no one else, let me like you do. That's why I don't mind to spend my life with you. I wanna please you.
Now the hair is 180% density, very natural, flowy density. We're gonna cut the ends. We didn't really have to, cause the ends, you know how those ends be looking all ugh? Those ends, those ends still looked healthy. They were a little thinned out, so a little bluntness gave it a little more oomph, but you don't have to. You really don't. You could have left them ends alone. But those face framing layers is always a must for me. It always gives it that extra
You're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly. I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's true. And I'm digging you. Make me believe that your love is mine. You give me a really good feeling.
Now, when I tell you this wig got me hype, I mean, this wig got me hype, okay? I can't get over the lace. Look, I keep showing you the lace because I still can't find it till this day, okay? No, but seriously, this is a must-have. Definitely a must-have. The link is in the description box below. You are welcome.
This is what they say, do it up. Dubs on the Cadillac, white tees, Nikes. Gangsters don't know how to act. Atmosphere, fake head, college park, barber home. Hummus smoking home, choking on that home phone. They pop their seven cooking, they got the Dallas looking. Thinking I was easy, I can see it. That's when I say no. Shawty can't handle this, never got that fire like oh.
If you have made it this far, you are truly one in a million, girl. Thank you for sticking around with me. Give this video a like, leave a comment, let me know what you think. Make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss anything from your girl. Thank you for vibing with me. I'll see you on the next one, girl.
Getting crunk up in the club,